what's furry and flies through the air, teaching us to think with our heart. Me, I am Virtuleze. From a star comes Virtuleze, teaching us to do good deeds. Values, manners, thank you please. We're great kids like Virtuleze.
Virt! Hey, where are you, Virt? Oh no, where is Virt?
Wheezer, I'm here. Where are you?
I don't know. I'm stuck. I can't move.
Oh my goodness, there you are. Let me help. Here we go, Wheezer, ready or not. Get yourself out of that flower pot.
Oh, it's you, Virtuleze. I thought I heard a commotion. Oh my goodness, what happened here?
Hi, Joleen. I'm so happy to be back. I want you to meet one of my cosmic friends. This is Wheezer.
Hello, Wheezer. I'm very pleased to meet you. May I sit there? I love your new friend.
Hello, Joleen. It's very nice to meet you, too. Virtuleze was right. This is a beautiful porch. Too many flower pots, though.
It's very nice to meet you too, Wheezer. Virtuleze told me you know everything there is to know about the alphabet rap.
Why, yes, I do. I teach the alphabet rap at the kids' cosmic school. Hey, kids, let's listen to the alphabet rap now. Sing along if you can.
Are you ready? Boom, 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 boom. Whee! A, B, C, D, E, F, G. It's alphabet time with Virtuleze. H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. All your favorite letters, if you please. Q, R, S, T, U, V. Let's add some values for you and me. W, X, Y, and Z. Being smart and good is the only way to be.
Accept all people, behave with delight, caring and courageous, do what's right. Everyone is special, friends and family too. Good to your neighbor, how about you? I'm an honest kid, just watch and see. Kind and fair, law is for me. Make the world a nicer place to live. Overcome the bad, pleased to help and give. Quick to lend a hand, respect others too. Smart in school, teach us something new. Up with morals, values and a lot. We all have a heart, X marks the spot. You can make a difference, zero attitude.
A through Z, being smart and good. Oh, that was everybody. That was wonderful.
That's fantastic. There is so much for the kids to learn.
Bird alert! Bird alert! Bird alert! Bird alert! Bird alert!
Woo, woo, woo!
It's a bird alert! Alert!
Bird alert.
Bird alert! Bird alert! Bird alert!
Virt alert? What does that mean?
It means it's time for a lesson. Let's learn something. We just watched the alphabet rap, but did you know the alphabet rap starts with the letters A, B, C, and D? And those letters are also the first four letters of the alphabet. It starts, accept all people, behave with delight, caring and courageous, do what's right.
Tell the kids what that means, Wheezer.
Well, not everyone is alike. We are all special and different, but we all have a heart. Hey, Virt, are you ready?
Yep, just watch my cape. Once again, it's a time of day where Virt and friends go to learn and play.
Hi, Johnny. How was school today? Johnny, I asked you how school was today. I'm never going to school again. Never, ever again. Why? What happened? I thought you liked school.
I don't like school anymore. Some of the other kids are calling me names. One called me Pumpkin Boy because my clothes are orange. I'm never going to school again, and no one can make me.
But your clothes are bright orange because you are the school's safety monitor, and the cars need to see you so the kids won't get hurt.
But the kids are making so much fun of me.
Well, does it make you happy to help the kids cross the street?
Yes. It's my favorite part of the school day besides learning new things.
Do you think it makes them feel happy to feel safe and cared about by one of their friends?
Yes. They wait for me to walk them across the street, and then they wave goodbye and say, "See you tomorrow, Johnny." It makes me smile. It makes my heart smile, too.
Johnny, you have a very, very important job to do at school. You are very special to take time out of your day to help and care about the other children and their safety.
I am?
Yes, you are. Very special. And you know what?
What?
Some of the kids make fun of me, too.
They do?
Yes, they do. They don't think I can hear them in the classroom, but I can. They make fun of my spiky hair and that I wear glasses and say that I have 4 eyes. They also make fun of my name. Well, I guess I can't blame them for that. Mr. Picklehead is a funny name.
Still, it's your name, Mr. Picklehead, and people should respect that. But you need glasses so you can see. Those kids shouldn't say that. What if someday they need to wear glasses?
That's exactly right, Johnny. You are being very wise. You are also being very courageous. It takes a lot of courage to want to help others and to look out for them crossing the streets. It is more important to help others than worry about what a few kids say. Johnny, are you willing to be even more courageous and ignore the few bad words that some kids say when they make fun of you? The kids across the street need you to help them. Will you do what's right?
Yes, Mr. Picklehead, I will. I'm going to school every day and I'm going to do my best to keep all the kids safe, even the ones who make fun of me. That will show them that I take my job seriously and I am ignoring what they say.
You're a good boy, Johnny. I'm very proud of you.
Thanks, Mr. Picklehead.
Goodbye, Johnny.
Goodbye, Mr. Picklehead. Mr. Picklehead. Mr. Picklehead.
It's important to remember to accept all people for who they are. If everyone learns this simple lesson, then it also means that everyone will accept who you are, and we will all be happier.
That's called thinking with your heart.
That's a wonderful lesson, Wheezer. Can you tell me those lines again so I can write them down?
Sure, here they are. Accept all people, behave with delight, caring and courageous, do what's right. Yay!
There, how does that look?
Look, Virt, it's a piece of art.
Accept all people, behave with delight, caring and courageous, do what's right. Each line begins with A, B, C, D. That was Virtuleze. What's the next lesson? I don't think we have time for another lesson, Virt. Did I say Virt? I meant Virtuleze.
That's what I call them, Virt.
Joleen is right, Wheezer. We better go. Mama V invited you over for dinner tonight.
Oh boy, I love Mama V's cooking. Goodbye.
What? Where?
I better go too. Bye.
Bye-bye.